So we have created company, we have created plant. Further, I proceed creating storage location, purchasing organization. Next, you can write down this to create storage location. To create storage location or to define SPRO IMG enterprise structure definition. SPRO IMG enterprise structure definition. Here we should come to yes.
No, 1 minute. I am just jotting down. 1 minute. SPRO. After that,
IMG.
Okay.
Enterprise structure.
Okay.
Definition.
Okay.
Under definition, you can just look back the other two parts what you have written. First was under financial accounting. Until there, path is same. Second, under logistics.
Yes.
Until there, path is same.
Okay.
Now, we are moving into materials management. I repeat, after definition, it's materials management. After definition, it's materials management. Under materials management, it's maintain storage location. Maintain storage location.
Okay.
Maintain storage location. Shall I proceed?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maintain storage location. So the moment I entered maintain storage location, you can see the T code OX09. Bottom right, you can see the T code.
Yes.
It is asking for which plant. Immediately, for which plant would you like to create storage location? It is asking. So the plant for me as of now, I created one PTBP. This also says you that to create a storage location, you should have a plant created. So for this, we need to define storage location. I entered the plant, which is work area. See, plant has this work area, factory, plant, all are same. Where you are going to do some work, you are going to add value to material. Proceeding, I'll continue.
Once again, one more question.
Yes.
Is there any chance same storage location for two different plants?
While assigning, I'll tell you one-to-one the relations, all relations I'll tell you. Company to company code, plant to company code, and purchasing organization to plant. I'll tell you that while assigning. After this, we have to do it. I'll tell you that. Here, new entries. I'll name this as PBSL. Description, PTBP, STR, LOC. I have defined so. Make a note. Enter.
Okay.
After that, see in dialog structure, you have address of storage location. I'll select this. I have to select the storage location. Select this and double click on this addresses of storage location. Double click. So once I double click on that, you can see plant. Under plant, you have storage location. So I have to again click on new entries. Make a note. Click on new entries. So select the storage location. Double click on addresses of storage location to get the screen. After that, click on new entries.
1 second.
So this is number 1. I enter. Once I enter, again I get a window, a new tab where I can provide the address for storage location. Again, I go with only what is required, minimum PBSL country IN region 10. I'll just go with that. enter, save. So this completes creation of storage location. Then take down purchasing organization to create purchasing organization. Path until materials management, it remains same. However, I'll tell you, you can write down that again. SPRO IMG enterprise structure definition. SPRO IMG enterprise structure definition. Under definition, materials management. Under materials management, it's maintain purchasing organization. Maintain purchasing organization.
Okay.
Written? I'll proceed, maintain purchasing organization. What should I do now? Can you tell me, looking at the screen?
New entries or
Yes.
New
entries.
new entry.
You can remember the key code OX08. It's in decreasing order 10, 9, and 8 for the screen. I'll go with new entries. Purchasing organization, I would like to name it as PTPO, PIPL, sorry, PTPL, PURORG, purchasing organization. Enter. And save it. Hope you have written.
Yeah.
Everything you create, you enter, you will have to save. Unless you save, it will not go into database.
Okay.
To read this message, data was saved. So as per our discussion, we have defined all. Fine?
Yeah.
We have defined all. Now, next subtopic or next topic you can write down as assignment. Assignment. See, we defined all this, we didn't interlink anything. Company we defined, plant defined, storage location, purchasing organization we defined, but we did not interlink
Assignments.
So that is assignment. That is second step after define. Assignment for that path is SPRO IMG enterprise structure. SPRO IMG enterprise structure. Assignment. You can see that assignment here. Under enterprise structure, assignment. For your information, I'll just expand this definition and assignment both. You may not have to write this under path. Observe this definition and also assignment. As you can see, financial accounting, controlling, logistics, sales, etc. Same here, financial accounting, controlling, logistics, sales. So if I further expand one of this financial accounting, here you find define, maintain, maintain. Whereas under assignment, you will find it as
assign.
Getting?
Yeah.
Observe this. Define, edit, maintain, you get that here. Whereas under financial accounting, it's assigning. So that's the difference. Here we define, here we assign. Well, I'll collapse this definition. We'll proceed with assignment. First step is to assign company code to company. Assign company code to company under financial accounting. Make a note, under assignment, financial accounting, assign company code to company. Assign company code to company.
Okay.
We'll go with this. In this, observe this. Here you don't have new entries. Observe.
Yeah.
And I can click on position. Find my company code, which is PTPL. Just find that. I can retain the same company code, company. I can retain same. I'll just retain it as PTPL. Taking its one company. Here, as you saw, company to company code, there is no new entries again, which means one company can have multiple company codes and all company codes will be for one company. So this is company to company code, one to many relation. We call it as one to many. Write down company to company code. One company can have multiple company codes. Relation is from company to company code, one to many. So this is something what you were asking. Can we have one to many? The question what you asked to
Getting plants.
answer that. So one to many, company to company code. I enter, save. This is done. So next step, observe the path what you have written under definition. Except definition, you need to replace definition by assignment. That's it. Write down this path. SPRO IMG enterprise structure assignment. Under assignment logistics general. Under assignment logistics general. Here it is assign plant to company code. Assign plant to company code. Written. Have written this?
1 minute.
Yeah, take it.
Yeah.
I'll continue. Assign plant to company. Observe here you have new entries. The code is OX18. You can write down this. Here we have new entries.
T code.
OX18. You can see that for parts where you have T code, it will appear here OX18.
Where?
Right
bottom. Right
Right
bottom.
bottom.
Can you see this here? OX18. And have this in transaction, else you will not be able to see that. It should be in transaction. This I think I told in the last session also. Transaction. You have it in transaction so that you get T codes here.
Okay.
I'll click on new entries. Now observe company code and plant. I can maintain one company code, take different plants. I can maintain same plant for many company codes. It's like this. Company code PTPL, plant PTBP. Now company code, just for example, I'm not going to do save it. 1000 plant PTBP. Then company code PTPL plant 1000. Like this I can take. So what do you understand by this relation?
Any plant is a company can have any plant and
yes. So if it has for more than one company code, that is called just now you saw cross client or cross company for it because it is working for more than one. It's like getting outsourced, or it's like you have one plant independent where you get orders from different companies. You can work on that. So PTPL, PTBP. I'll go with this what we have created, and moreover you can see this name of plant company code. So these columns are freezed where I am not able to make any entry. So I can enter only in these two. Once I enter this, you can observe automatically name of the plant and company name are appearing. It's being read from what has been already defined.
Yeah.
Getting? Have you written this? Shall I proceed?
1 minute. Yeah.
So I'll save it.
Yeah.
Data is saved. So that is assigning plant to company code. Then I'll move to materials management. Write down the path. SPROIMG enterprise structure and definition. Sorry, assignment. SPROIMG enterprise structure assignment. Under assignment, materials management. Under assignment, materials management.
Okay.
Under materials management, assign purchasing organization to company code. Assign purchasing organization to company code. I'll take that, assign purchasing organization to company code. Again, observe here, you don't have new entries. We have purchasing organization company code. I click on position to find the purchasing organization. Purchasing organization is
PTPO.
PTPO. Relation between these two, purchasing organization to company code. So one purchasing organization, one company code. Company code PTPL. Observe here it says company code does not exist in the status. Once I provide company code, that will disappear. Make a note. Shall I proceed?
Yeah.
Save it. Now the last one is to assign purchasing organization to plant. Assign purchasing organization to plant. Just below that. The path remains same. Just below that you have assigned purchasing organization to plant. Meaning to say purchasing organization is to be linked to company code as well as to the plant. From plant, demand raises from different user departments and to be sent to purchasing organization. And from company level, they get the financial support to purchase. That is the reason. I'll go with this, assign purchasing organization to plant. And this you can see new entries. In other words, one purchasing organization, you can have it for many plants. As you can see here, 0001 purchasing organization is assigned to so many plants. Observing?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the relation. You can have many. So I'll go with this new entries. New entries. Purchasing organization PTPO. Plant PTBP. You can see description, name, and status. All these three are freezed. These three columns are freezed. I'll just enter this. It will automatically fill the description. Save it. Shall I?
Yeah.
So this is also saved. Well, now we have assigned. We have to observe this, right? What we have assigned, how is it, how the structure looks. For that, you can take the T code EC01, EC01, enter.
Okay.
Did we see the screen earlier? EC01. Did we see the screen earlier?
We're
Yeah,
not
we
able to
saw
see
that
anything.
to copy from 1000 to
Oh, yeah.
company code. Okay, but here I should go to structure, write down EC01 structure. After structure, it's navigation. Navigation. Once you click on navigation, then you'll have to continue here. Click on continue. Now you get this entire list of different company codes, companies which are all created already here. So here you have this binocular icon, or you can also go with Control F. So I'll click on this to find my company code PTPL. Write down Control F, or even clicking on that search icon. You get this window where you need to enter PTPL, your company code that you would like to search. Once you enter, you'll have to continue. Find. So number of hits, one is mapping, PTPL, Prestige Tech Park High Private Limited. Click on this. It will take you to PTPL in that entire list, as you observe here. I'll double click on this. Observe, I have company, PTPL, I expand it. I'll get company code, which I have maintained same, PTPL. Credit control area is taken from 1000. Plant, I have defined PTBP. And I have storage location, PBSL under the plant. And I have this plant linked to PTPL company code. Also, we have purchasing organization PTPO, which is assigned to the plant. If I further expand purchasing organization, again, I have company and plant assigned to this purchasing organization. I can find the same under this also, company code and plant for the purchasing organization. Got this?
Yeah.
So if you get it, if you get this, then your job is perfect. You have created and assigned it, defined and assigned. This completes the very first step of enterprise structure. So it's a very initial thing, what we are done with as of now. You can go through this. I want you to create at least 3 to 4 enterprise structures for practice. Try creating with different names, different combinations. Have it hands-on so that you can confidently do to this extent. We'll continue. So tomorrow's session, Nikhil probably